Hello and welcome to biology class. We are studying topic human skeleton and locomotion. In this topic, right now we are concentrating on human skeleton and that also on the axial skeleton. So axial skeleton is the part of skeleton which is located on the central axis of our body. So in this particular video, we are going to concentrate on a specific and highly important part of axial skeleton, that is nothing but the human skull. Human skull is extremely important part of our skeleton. So let us see where it is located and which bones are included in the human skeleton. This is a diagram of human skull. By looking at the diagram, you must have understood that human skull is nothing but head region of our body. So in this particular video, we are concentrating on which bones are included into our head region, that is in the human skull. Now there are many bones are there in the human skull. Total number of bones present in our skull, see, total number of bones in our skull are 28 plus 1. See, remember I wrote 28 plus 1, not 29. Why it is so? That you will understand soon. So right now just try to understand, there are so many bones are included in the human skull and that's why it is not very easy to remember them. So just to make it easy to remember the different names of the bone, human skull is divided into 4 different regions. So first we will study those regions and then we will go in details of all the bones included in the skull. So the first region is the region which cover our brain area. The first region of skull is nothing but the region which cover our brain area, okay, the most important, which give protection to our brain. This area which I am outlining right now is the area which which protect our brain, and that area is called as the cranium. So in this video we will study all the bones included in cranium. Now cranium is also called as brain case. What does it called? Brain case. Now brain case means it is a case in which brain is kept. Okay. Now another region of our skull is the facial region. It is this region which I am outlining right now. Okay. So this region is the facial region, also called as the facial bones. This region is facial region or facial bones. Okay. Then here the area is remaining, small area. Okay. But it could not be seen from outside so easily. The bones in this area are located very much inside our ears. Okay. So those are called as ear bones. Basically ear bones are not called as ear bones. Generally they are called as ear ossicles. So ear bones are called as ear ossicles. This will be the third region. See, first region is the cranial, or it is also called as brain case. Second region is the facial region. Third region is the ear or ear ossicles, and the fourth region is only this bone called as hyoid bone, or hyoid region is the fourth region. So remember, when we are going to study human bones, they are basically divided into 4 different regions as shown in chart. The first region is the cranial region, which is nothing but brain case, bones which cover our brain. The second one is the facial region, facial bones. The third one is the ear ossicles, and fourth one is the hyoid bone. There are totally 8 bones included in the cranium region. Facial region are the 14 bones. 6 bones are there in the ear. Each ear contains 3 bones. So we are having 2 ears, 6 bones. Each ear 3 bones. Okay. Now next one is the hyoid bone, which is the single one. So all together 14 plus 6 20, 20 plus 8 28 plus 1 hyoid. Okay, so these are the different bones which are included in the skull region, our head region, whatever region above our neck. Okay, clear about it? So let us concentrate on the bones which are included in our cranial region. Remember, cranial region is the region over here which cover our brain. That's why also called as brain case. There are total 8 bones included in this region, and we need to remember all the names of all the bones. Okay, and it is not at all difficult. You do it properly, you will remember it very easily. Now see, when we take our palm and this line of our palm, when we touch to our eyebrows and whatever area it cover, okay, when we place our hand like this, whatever area it cover, that is our frontal bone. What is that? Our frontal bone. Okay, then after that, so we are having only single frontal bone which cover this much of area. Getting my point? Then we are having 2 more bones at the center of our head. Here one and here one. On the left side one and on the right side one. So these are 2 bones called as parietal bones. See, frontal bone from here to here. Then 2 parietal bones. Okay, left and right. Then back side again we are having very big bone called as occipital bone. Back side we are having very big bone called as occipital bone. See, frontal bone, single frontal bone. After that we are having 2 parietal bones. After that we are having big occipital bone. How many bones now? Total 4 bones. Okay, after that we are having here on this side there are 2 bones called as a temporal bone. One on the just above the ear is the temporal bone. One on the left ear, one above the right ear. So 2 temporal bones. How many they became now? 6 bones. Okay, now still 2 bones are remaining. Now this is tricky to understand where these rest of the 2 bones are located. Now remember one thing, our head is 3-dimensional structure. It is not a 2-dimensional. So it is a brain case, means it should be covered from all the sides. So whatever bones we talked, they are above the head as well as on the side of the head. But what about the floor of the head, right? So roof is there, wall is there. So what about the floor? So these 2 bones are located at the floor of our bone. One bone, it is a butterfly shaped, very beautiful bone which is located behind behind our nose, like just above our nasal cavity, behind our bone, that is called as the sphenoid bone. What does it call? Sphenoid bone. And one more bone is located just smaller bone in front of sphenoid bone. It is called as ethmoid bone. See, we will revise all the bones together, then we will look at the diagram and we will try to understand it again. See, frontal bone, parietal bones, occipital bones, temporal bones, and inside we are having sphenoid and ethmoid bone. Understanding? Among them, temporal and parietal are in pair, means 2 bones. So all together we are having 8 bones. Understanding? Were you able to remember that? So let us look at the diagram and we will revise our knowledge. So look at the diagram. This colorful diagram shows all the bones which are included in the cranial region of the skull. So by looking at the diagram, we will try to understand which bones are there. And this time you people are going to tell me which bones are there in which color. Okay, so this first bone which is in the blue color, what is its name? Yes, frontal bone, right? Located on the front side of the skull. Here, which is this bone? Yes, parietal bone, right? There is one parietal bone on this side, there will be another parietal bone on the another side. Now this whole bone, a big bone which even go down, this bone is called as, yes, backside bone. What is its name? Yes, occipital bone. And which is this bone which is just above the ear? Yes? Yes, temporal bone. So these are, see, this is only one bone. I'm just writing in bracket. Here there are two parietal bones. Here there are two temporal bones. A single occipital bone. So getting like all together there are only, here we wrote only 6 of them. So 2 more bones are remaining. So let us see which 2 more bones are there. Now see, this is, suppose we cut this skull from here, what we see down at the floor is this. Okay, now this is a part of frontal bone. This is in blue color. This is a part of frontal bone, not whole frontal bone. Part of frontal bone. Then this is the part of temporal bone on both the side. Okay, these are the part of temporal bone from both the side. This is a part of occipital bone, and here if you see in pale off-white or pale yellow color, we can see another bone at the floor of the skull, and this place come just above our nose, or just behind and above our nose. It's called as the sphenoid bone. This bone is called as sphenoid bone. It is a single bone, a sphenoid bone. And here in a purple color, in front of the sphenoid bone, we see another bone which is called as ethmoid bone. Ethmoid bone. So these are the different bones included in the cranial region. 1 frontal, 2 parietal, 1 occipital, 2 temporal, 1 ethmoid and 1 sphenoid bone. Is it clear to you? So see you in the next video with the facial bones. Till then, goodbye, take care.